between the rooms and the living room wall, it will be there to go up.
This time it will rest on the living room wall.
Okay.
Between the living room and the room 2 wall,
Yeah.
it will rest on it. Then when it clamp there, as it going up, it cancel, it enter so, then it walk so, it go outside.
Okay, understood.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then the pipe post there, the step will go, if you want it to go at the answer, it will go there. If you want me to put it so, I will put it so, 2 ways. So you will select one.
Okay.
If you want it to the front, I put it to the front. If you want it to the back, I put it to the back.
Alright.
But right now in the living room, there's pressure against the wall. Then from here now it clamp up, it goes so, then you will be able to enter here. It goes so, as you get outside, it walks so, you enter in the front pole up.
Okay.
Because door will be here for the downstairs to go in. And then door will be here. The front door to enter in the living room, it will be here.
Okay.
So if I put step here, I will embarrass the dining room door. And it will be shut. So there will be no way, because when you open this door should cancel or whatever it will go, so I don't know. So I don't want to embarrass this door or embarrass it. So I'll put a step on that side for it to be free.
Okay.
So you can walk there.
Okay. Thank you so much for taking us through with this tour and giving us a detailed insight on the project. We want to say thank you so far. We're going to review it and get back to you just in case if there's any observation. So thank you so much.
We will allow it.
Okay.